At this time of the year, I always have a jar of homemade cough and cold elixir in the fridge for those little emergencies. We are so blessed to have a lemon tree in the backyard. There's nothing like homegrown lemons. Try to source organic lemons, as commercial lemons are often sprayed or pinched lemons from a friend's tree. This is so simple. All it takes is 5 ingredients: lemons, ginger root, cayenne pepper, turmeric powder and raw honey. Turmeric and pepper are very anti-inflammatory and act like an expectorant if you have a cough. We used around a 700ml jar. Layer them into the jar and squish them down at halfway. The lemons will release their lovely juices, so there's no need to add water. Continue layering until full. This will keep in the fridge for about 3 weeks, though it never lasts long enough, especially in cold seasons. We very rarely get colds, but we use it as a preventative soul-warming drink. 2 tablespoons is all you need in a mug, and then add boiling water. Drink more often when feeling unwell, and for an extra kick, add a drop of Young Living's Thieves Oil.